I'd like to show you how quickly and easily you can mould a Somni Snore guard. You'll need the Somni Snore guard, a jug or a bowl to put your water in, possibly a thermometer if you've got one that will read 65°C, but it's not necessary. But you absolutely must have a clock or a watch that has a sweep second hand, because it's very, very important that the device is immersed in water for 1 minute exactly. And you'll need something to The first thing to do is boil a kettle. So if we put 2 cups of boiling water into the jug and 1 of cold water, that should be about 65°C, give or take, which it is. The device is going to be popped into the water for 1 minute, but let's just have a look at it first and make sure we know which way is up. This small arrow here denotes the top of the device. The holes are in the bottom. So we'll pop it in for a minute. You'll find that it shrinks quite a bit. So in 20 seconds time I'm going to take it out, put it in my mouth, between my teeth and my lips, and then I'm going to suck in very hard and push on the tab with my tongue. I need to make sure I know which way is up. And then bring the holes in the bottom. Exactly 1 minute. That's it, that was for 1 minute. So I've taken it out of my mouth and put it in some cold water until it's back to normal temperature. And you can see that the tab on the inside is now facing upwards. That goes behind my teeth to anchor the device, and that there are some impressions of my teeth in the plastic. Also, you can see how much smaller it is now than when it first started.